You're such a bully. Ow. Ow.
I think I was the only person he just killed with that damn.
You little bitch. That's fucked up.
That's fucked up.
Fix your ears.
Ow. Ow. Such a bully. You're so mean.
Get him, boy. Get him. Sick him. Sick him.
Who is TC McNasty? Buddy, do something about it. Do it.
Get him, boy.
Get a better guard.
Get him.
Which way did he go? Which way did he go?
Buddy, get him.
Ow.
Get him, boy. Get him.
14. 4 and 14.
Be more aggressive with him.
Be aggressive.
My mind is blown. Which way did he go? Which way did he go? Buddy, hey, go get him. Go get him.
Go get it, boy.
I put the shit out of my wrist.
Get him.
Whip his ass, bud.
Get him, boy. Get him. Oh, don't hurt him.
Oh, he's fine. I was right on. Did you hear that?
What just happened to his teeth?
No, he got me right on the arm.
I love when he chomp. You remember when he was a pup and he used to chomp?
Yes, a lot.
Oh, no.
He was so cute. I
belly.
miss when he used to
Big belly,
chomp.
Big belly.
So that's it.
Like, alright, tired of all this gay shit. This is America.